Finger frog.
Which is the closest planet to Earth, on average? Find out the answer during the course of this video. Which metropolis city is located on 2 continents? Answer: Istanbul, Turkey. Istanbul, the largest city in Turkey, and the 5th largest city in the world by population, is spread across 2 continents. One part of Istanbul lies in Europe, and the other part lies in Asia. Istanbul's European part is separated from its Asian part by the Bosphorus Strait, a 31-kilometer-long waterway that connects the Black Sea with the Sea of Marmara, and forms a natural boundary between the 2 continents. 2 suspension bridges across the Bosphorus Bridge, and the Fatih Sultan Mehmet Bridge, also called Bosphorus Bridge 2, connect the 2 sides. However, Istanbul is not the only city to be located on 2 continents. Other cities that are spread across 2 continents are the Russian cities of Orenburg and Magnitogorsk, and the Kazakhstan city of Atyrau, which are spread over Europe and Asia, and the Egyptian city of Suez, located on both Africa and Asia. What was the name of the first cloned sheep? Answer: Dolly. Dolly the sheep, the first mammal to have been successfully cloned from an adult cell, was born on 5th of July, 1996, at the Roslin Institute in Scotland. Dolly was cloned from a cell taken from the mammary gland of a 6-year-old Findorset sheep, and an egg cell taken from a Scottish black-faced sheep. Originally code-named 6LL3, the cloned lamb was named after singer and actress Dolly Parton. Which of the following fruits comes from a herb? Bananas, or papayas? Answer: bananas. While the banana plant is colloquially called a banana tree, it's actually a herb, distantly related to ginger, since the plant has a succulent tree stem, instead of a wood one. Though the palm-like trunk of a papaya plant is not as woody as the designation generally implies, yet it is considered as a tree. What percentage of the human body is water? Answer: on average, the body of an adult human being is 60% water, most of which is contained in the cells. However, amount of water in a human body varies according to age and gender. The body of a newborn is composed of about 75% of water. The average adult male is about 60% water. The average adult female is about 55% water. Drinking enough water every day is crucial to health, and plays a part in almost all body functions. Water is necessary for numerous bodily functions like temperature regulation, cellular function, and waste removal. Now back to the question number 1. Which is the closest planet to Earth, on average? Answer: Mercury. We have all along been taught that Venus is the closest planet to Earth. However, it turns out that Venus is only our closest planetary neighbor, that is the planet that has the closest approach to Earth, and not the closest planet to Earth on average. This is because we carry a misconception about the layout of the solar system, and to calculate the distance between two planets, we erroneously believe that the orbits are coplanar, that is in the same plane, and usually subtract the two planets' average distances from the Sun. However, this only gives us the average distance between their orbits, and not the distance between the planets themselves. We tend to forget that since the planets move at different speeds, they spend much time on opposite sides of the Sun. It is true that Venus orbits the Sun between Earth and Mercury. The distance from Earth to the Sun is 1 astronomical unit, and Venus is 0.72 astronomical unit from the Sun. Hence, by simple calculation we assume that Venus is just 0.28 astronomical unit from Earth. However, this method only calculates the distance between two planets when they are closest to each other, which is for a very short period in Venus' orbit. Rest of the time, Venus is much further away from Earth, all the way on the opposite side of the Sun, because the two planets move at different speeds. Using a new method of measurement known as the point circle method, it appears that on average, Mercury, and not Venus, is the closest planet to Earth. The new analysis includes a model that tracks all the planets over the course of 10,000 Earth years. In fact, as per PCM, on average, Mercury is the closest planet to each of the other planets in the solar system as well. It is seen that Mercury's orbit does not take it very far from the Sun, but Venus gets much farther away from Earth during its orbit. Since Mercury is closer to the Sun, the distance between it and Earth, when they are at their farthest distance, is much smaller than the distance between Earth and Venus. While Venus gets closer to Earth on occasion, it can be as far away as 1.72 astronomical unit from Earth when it is on the opposite side of the Sun. Whereas Mercury attains inferior conjunction, that is nearest approach to Earth every 116 Earth days on average, and Mercury can come as near as 0.549 astronomical unit to Earth. Hence, Mercury is closer to Earth, on average, than Venus because it orbits the Sun more closely.